Hi Mara! Bilis ng panahon, no? Parang kailan lang mga bata pa tayo nang naglalaro kung saan-saan. And naalala ko nga nun lagi mo kinukwento na you've always dreamed to have a wonderful wedding. And tingnan mo nga naman ang panahon, di ba? Bilis! Kakasal na kayo ni paring Jeboy. So, congratulations for the both of you. And I wish you all the best of everything. I wish you a life long of happiness and love. And yun, congratulations ulit.
Hi, Mara and Jeboy! Long time! Congratulations on your wedding! See you soon!
Hi, Mara and Jepoy! I just wanted to send a warmest congratulations sa engagement yung dalawa. And hope to see you soon. And best wishes na dance. Bye!
Mara! Congratulations! Ikakasal ka na pala ha! Hindi mo man lang ako in-invite.
Hi Mara! Congratulations on your wedding. Finally, nakita mo yung dawan mo.
Hi Mara! Congrats! Best wishes sa kasal. Ayun, it's been a long time, di ba? Like, dati, di ba? Dati kumukopy lang tayo sa klase natin sa math. Ngayon, kakasal ka na. Grabe. So happy for you. I wish you all the best. Tapos kung may 500 ka.
Hi, Mara and Jepoy. Long time no see. Congrats on your engagement. See you soon.
Hi, Mara and Jepoy!
Congratulations on your wedding.
We're so proud of everything you've built together.
Wishing you both a lifetime of love and happiness.
Love you guys! See you soon!
Hi Mara, hi Jepoy. Congratulations sa engagement nyo and see you soon. Bye-bye.
Hi, Boss Mara. Akala ko pala hinihintayin mo ako. Congrats pala, kakasakal ka na pala. Basta congrats.
Hi, Mara and Jeff. Kamusta kayo dyan? Sure na ba kayo? Parang nabalitaan ko na wag na lang muna. Congrats! Congrats!
Congratulations and best wishes, Mara and Jepoy.
Hi, Mars. Congratulations po. Ingat. See you soon.
Hi Mara, ikakasal ka na pala kay Jepoy. So, congrats sa inyong dalawa. Best wishes. God bless.
Uy Mara, kakasal ka na pala? Wow, okay. Congrats pala. Best wishes sa inyo ni Jepoy.
Hello, Mara and Jepoy. Best wishes and congratulations. Pasensya na sa makeup ko. Half lang yan.
Hi! Congratulations and our best wishes to Mara and Jepoy!
Hello, Mara and Jepoy. Wishing you a lifetime of love together. Congratulations. So much kilig. I love you both.
Hi, sa friend ng kumari kong si Mara at Jepoy. Congrats sa inyo at sana maging matagal ang inyong pagsasama at sana lahat ng pagsubok ay kakayanin nyo bilang mag-asawa. Congratulations sa inyo, mabuhay ang bagong kasal at sana po ay gabayan kayo sa kamamahing religion. Love you all and thank you so much.
Hi Mara and Jepoy. Congrats pala sa successful na kasal nyo. Ang wish ko lang ay sana matupad lahat ng pangarap nyo. At sana makakain na ang handa nyo. Maraming salamat.
Hello Mara and Jepoy. Congratulations sa inyong engagement. Best wishes. And tintik na pag-ibig parang bigla puso kong tahimik na naghihintay bigla mong inulan.
Congratulations and best wishes to both of you, Mara and Jepoy. Hi, congratulations and best wishes to both of you, Mara and Jepoy. Mabuhay kayo at magpakarami!
Congrats and best wishes, Mara and Jepoy.
Best wishes! Hi, Mara and Jepoy. Good luck sa inyong journey at sana magtagal kayo.
Congratulations, Mara and Jepoy. I'm so happy for you both and wishing you a lifetime of love and happiness. Yeah, God bless your marriage and good luck. Congratulations ulit.
Congrats Mara and Jepoy. Magsama kayo hanggat gusto nyo.
Magandang araw po. Ako po si Patrick Alcantara at gusto ko lang pong batiin si Mara at Jepoy ng best wishes and congratulations sa newlywed at sa inyong mag-asawa. Put the center of your love to our God Jesus Christ at lagi lang magdasal at yan, mas maraming baby mas maganda. So best wishes sa inyo and congratulations. God bless you as couple and congratulations. Yan. Cactus ka ba? Kasi sa pag-ibig, handa kang masaktan, mayakap ka lang. Ayan.